Apostle of Apostles, Divine Fast Faith Fitness Ministry. On day 4 of the Anger but Sin Not Fast. It's going very, very smooth, efficient, and effective as I'm already feeling the benefits of these powerful apostles, healthy healing, organic juices straight from Apostles Divine Fast Faith Fitness Factory, the factory of my mind. I'm already feeling extremely energetic, strong, and healthy, and disease and toxic free, already going into the 4th day, feeling renewed and rejuvenated as I'm supposed to feel through fasting. If you don't feel brand new, restored, new in the mind, something is not accurate or effective with your fast. Therefore, everyone wants to know, Apostle, how do you fast so efficiently and so effectively? What do you use? Here it is, Apostles personalized antioxidant juices, divine, to take out the oxidation, the mucus, the bacteria, free radicals, and everything out your body. Day 4 of the Anger but Sin Not Fast, and I'm feeling brand new, renewed. Day by day, I'll be bringing you the juices that I'm using to restore myself, and you will see exactly how a man can go 426 days of organic liquid fasting without eating any solid food and restore his complete system to optimum health, eliminating sugar diabetes, high cholesterol, high cholesterol, I'm being a little redundant, high cholesterol, I'm drawing a blank, but that's okay. Everything is accurate and effective. My mind is keen and sharp. Gouty arthritis, obesity, and rejuvenating the skin. And as I advance throughout the fast, I'll be showing you my juices, and then I'll show you my body, how it's looking as a result of Apostles all natural organic juices straight from its factory. And as always, you have the power. Day 4 of the Anger but Sin Not Fast.